If you do this, then I'm pretty much sure that he is going to come back to you. Hello everyone, welcoming all to manifestingdreamadc.com. In today's topic, we are going to discuss on how to make your ex want you back or how to get your ex back when he has moved on. If you are someone new, please consider in subscribing to my channel because it just motivates me to put the new videos for you guys. If you are someone who has already subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. So without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. So as I have already told you that in the beginning of my video, in today's topic we are going to discuss on how to make your ex want you back, right? So the step number one is nothing but by stopping the push behavior. Yes, you heard it right. So now you might be asking me, what is this push behavior? So for that, let me give you by taking an example. Suppose your boyfriend or your girlfriend calls for a breakup. So during that time, what are the sort of emotions that comes into our mind? Yes, of course, those may be negative emotions. I can really relate to that situation. So during that time, anger will be coming. We will be in the fighting mode. Some people may be in the crying mode. Some will be very in the form of very desperate. So all these sort of emotions just enter into our mind or into our head, right? So in this situation, what I'm asking you to do for the betterment of you guys, what I'm asking you to do is you have to stop all these mixed emotions. When your ex is asking you for a breakup, just smile and move away. Why? Means we know that he is going to come back to you, and that is definite. Okay, this is definite that he is going to come back to you. But when he is rethinking about you, he shouldn't have any negative point about you. This is the reason why I am asking you to behave properly, or you to have, or you to stop these sort of push behavior. Now I hope you guys have got it. So when your boyfriend or your ex has called for a breakup, just listen to it and just move on. What we need to make it here is we need to make the guilt enter into his mind. He or she should think that I have said or I have behaved to her in such a manner, but she has been always polite, gentle and caring and affectionate towards me. It's my part is wrong. I am always behind that person who is very bad or who is very rude, who shouts at me and all these things. But this girl or this boy who is very gentle and kind, why am I unable to understand them? This sort of feeling is the thing that we need to create in your lover. For that, what we need to do is, from our part, everything should be a proper or a clean. Now I hope you guys have understood this. The step number 2 is you have to forget that what has happened in reality. This is the step number 2. Step number 2, what we need to focus is on, we should not cry. I'm not asking you not to cry. You can cry whatever things you wanted for at least for 1 hour or 2 hours. But later on, we have to keep in our mind that no, he is within me or she is within me. I am having that person in me. If you think that no, that person is not there in my life, what will I do? If you constantly think of that person, the energy of lack is created over there. Remember, our universe always responds in like attracts like. It means that if you are in the energy of what, or if you are in the energy of creepy, if you are in the energy of need, the universe will give that more to you. If you are in the state of energy of having, then definitely the universe will give you what you are having right now, perhaps the more or the 2x. So what we need to do is we need to focus on the energy of having. We need to think as if we are texting him or we are calling him. How is that possible? You might be asking me, but it is possible. You are having his number in your cell phone, right? So during that time, what you are supposed to do is, you have to take his phone number. You have to keep on texting, but make sure that you don't send those messages to him. We have to play, or we have to do a no contact rule for 30 days here. Okay, we have to do it, guys. You have to do this no contact rule. What we are doing is we won't be sending any messages to them, because obviously they are not going to reply, so there is no meaning in that. So, and it just hurts our mind. Instead, just take their WhatsApp number, just keep on texting and don't send them. Even if you see they're online with another girl or another boy, just ignore that current reality and just imagine that he is texting to you right now and you both are texting to each other. That particular vibrational energy you have to create. Fake it till you make it. This is a famous statement that is told by most of all the law of attraction practitioners. So you have to fake it. You have to, from the energy of lack, you have to bring the energy of having. You believe that you are having that particular thing which you are manifesting right now with you. You are texting to your boyfriend or you are texting to your girlfriend. You both are talking very romantically. Bring all sort of emotions into it. This is the thing that you need to do. Understood? What is the step number 2? And coming to the step number 3, the step number 3 is very easy, and this is the most important one that I can ever say, because whenever we or our boyfriend or girlfriend has called for a breakup, what we need to do is we should not become desperate for it. When we are desperate for something, then I'm definitely sure that you are not going to get it. So the step number 3 is reducing the importance of that particular matter which you are currently manifesting. Here what we are manifesting our ex to be back, right? So here what we are doing is we are reducing its importance. Now how to reduce your ex importance? I can help you in this matter. You kept all these years chasing him, right? Now it's time to chase you. It's time to chase your dreams. Okay, so this is something that you need to focus on. Focusing more on your dreams. You should be focusing on more on your looks. Whatever that makes you happy. If you are someone who was giving more concentration to him or her or for your relationship, anyways that has ruined, right? So now it's time for us to make our goal or our dreams to be fulfilled. Bring out your passion. What is that passion that you wanted to do? Do this. Experiment everything that you could do during this breakup period. As we say, the lockdown period, during this breakup period, whatever you wanted to do this. Just take a pen and paper and just note down what and all things that you wanted to do during this breakup period. For some it may be their dance classes, for some it may be their arts, for some it may be their studies, for some it may be their jobs. Whatever it is, you have to concentrate your 100% in them. You have to concentrate your 100% in that particular passion that you lead for the other person. So now it's time to rise up. Now it's time to think that yes, it's my dream, it's my life, I am going to live it. In this manner, you are detaching from the particular person. This is the first point. In this manner, you are reducing the importance of that person. Now, you are giving more importance to yourself. That is something the law of attraction always focuses on. The law of attraction always has got the highest vibe when you are focusing on yourself. By using these 3 methods, you can definitely make your ex want you back. Till then, take care, stay tuned, and bye-bye. If you really find this video informative, please give me a thumbs up to this video. Till then, take care, stay tuned, and bye-bye.